So the code is 345678. I'm trying to go from this side. I'm sorry. And this is for what?
To rinse the machine.
To rinse the machine?
Yeah.
Maintenance.
Okay. And then you would hit
How to rinse.
how to rinse.
That I do.
We're not gonna hit it now.
Brewer rinse.
No brewer rinse. Powder rinse.
Powder
Yeah,
rinse.
you need to rinse the
They
brewer.
do the bricks of art.
Okay, so how often should I do that?
Every day.
Oh, every day? Okay.
And then 3 buttons.
Yeah.
Log off.
Perfect.
And it'll
So
go
every
back.
day at the end of the day, that's what should be done.
Yeah. And
Yes.
it'll go back to your regular.
Okay, get another cup, please, Angel. So he can make some coffee there. And you could drink it.
We're gonna wash my hands around here.
There's a restroom. Go outside there, and there should be a men's restroom. Go through both doors. Angel's about to make himself French roast. You sure that's the? Remember the size? Okay. Mm-hmm. Takes a couple of seconds. So from you now, I want to lower this shelf to right above that thing.
Waterline?
Yeah, it's ugly, but there's nothing we can do. That's code. We were missing a backflow, he said, backflow preventer. We're missing that, but I guess it's fine. This is the hot chocolate, French vanilla, and we need the powdered milk for the cappuccinos and lattes. That is all, folks. This is the gentleman that did it.